Before I came to Fluid, I was taking classes, working out 4 or 5 times a week, exercising probably close to 42 years. I found out from Fluid through another kind of workout facility. Really impressed with what Ryan's philosophy was. It was more on mobility, your posture. After a workout, you felt more erect, loose, and kind of you felt good after the workout. Kind of got me into Fluid was the biggest thing is the fascia release. The other was the technical explanation of how your body and muscles should work. Really kind of a whole focus on the core, on the way you stride, your gait, how your hips should be. Nobody else around kind of really teaches that kind of methodology and exercise today. I had some shoulder issues here, pain in my shoulders, and worked with me on that. I have no shoulder issues anymore. It's kind of testing your body to get stronger and better. I just love it. I'll be coming up to 62 in November, and I feel like an 18-year-old kid.